Hello my dear student. Today's our topic is comparison of adjective. Because I have already taught you about adjective in previous video. I hope you have learned its definition and its type very properly. Okay, let's start. Now comparison of adjective. It means adjective change in form when they show comparison. So there are 3 degrees of comparison. First is positive degree. What is positive degree? It is simple form of adjective and there is no comparison. Is that clear? When we speak about only one person, we use positive degree. Example, tall. Next, comparative degree. It is used to compare two persons or things. Okay, example, taller. So we can make comparative degree by adding er in positive degree. Next, superlative degree. It is used to compare more than two persons or thing. So you will learn superlative degree is used to compare more than two persons or things. Example, tallest. So we can make superlative degree by adding est in positive degree. Okay, and remember this point, we use article the before superlative degree in sentences. Okay, here are some rules to form comparative and superlative degree. So first rule is by addition of er and est to the positive degree. Now see here examples. In positive degree, here is cold. How will you make comparative? By adding er. You will make comparative. Then it will be colder. Next, superlative degree. I already told you. You will make superlative degree by adding est. Then it will be coldest. Same way you will do another. Clever. Clever will be changed into cleverer. And in superlative, it will be cleverest. Same way. Next rule, if there is y in the end of positive degree and has a consonant before it, then we change y into I and then add er and est. Is that clear? So see example. In positive degree, here is easy. Here is a y. So you will remove this y and then you will add er. It will be easier in comparative degree. And in superlative degree, it will be changed into easiest. So clear this point. Next, heavy. Heavy will be changed into heavier in comparative degree, and in positive degree it will be changed into heaviest. Next point, when the positive degree ends in consonant with a vowel before it, we double the consonant and then add er and est. Is that clear? So see here, big. Here is a vowel before this consonant. So you will double this consonant. It means G will be doubled. So here big will be changed into bigger. Now you will use double G. Next, in superlative degree, you will do same. It will be changed into biggest. Next, hot, hotter. T will be doubled. And in superlative degree, hottest. Is that clear? Next rule, by placing more and most before the positive degree. Now see in positive degree, active. So you will use more before it. Then it will be changed into more active. And in superlative degree, you will use most. Then it will be changed into most active. Same way you will do another. Beautiful. Beautiful will be changed into more beautiful. And in superlative degree, most beautiful. Next, here are some irregular forms of degrees. Irregular forms means they do not follow any rules. So you have to learn this. Let's see. Bad. Bad will be changed into worse in comparative degree. So learn it very properly. And in superlative degree, worst. Next, good. Good will be better in comparative, and in superlative it will be best. Next, little, less, least. Next, much, more, most. So you will learn all the rules and all the example very carefully.